Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you wondering how to connect your Canon MG3650 printer to your Wi-Fi router? Well, it can be confusing if you've never done it before. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the whole setup in a simple, no-stress WPS push button method. Just follow along and by the end, your printer will be online and ready to print. First, take a quick look at your Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. Next, make sure your printer is turned on. Now, press and hold the Wi-Fi button on your printer until you see the power light starts blinking. Alright, once that's done, press the black copy button one time. Now, go ahead and press the Wi-Fi button again, and you should see its light start blinking. After that, quickly walk to your Wi-Fi router and press and hold the WPS button for a few seconds. Once you release it, you'll notice the printer's power and Wi-Fi starts blinking. And that's it. When the light stops flashing, your printer is successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.